Hey everyone, it's RoseyLikeMe here, and today we are going over lists. Let's get started. Welcome to HTML Crash Course! So right over here is our all about list. And in here we are going to create our first list, which is the unordered list. So you could mark that by typing the tag and then UL. So inside of this, you can start typing out your list, and to create a list, you do LI. Simple as that. Now, I can go ahead and create several of these. If you wanted to write a list where the order doesn't really matter, then unordered lists is your things. An example of this would be me listing out my favorite foods in any particular order. Now, if I was ranking it from 1 to 3, then that's a different story. In that case, then maybe you'd want to use an order list, which I will go over in just a second. So that's one of our first lists. The second type of list we have is the ordered list, and that is indicated by typing OL and then do the same as you did in the beginning. So you could do list 1, list 2, and list 3. And this will actually number it rather than doing this right here. So let's go ahead and refresh that. So now we have exactly what we wrote here, but actually numbered because it's ordered. The third type of list I'm going to show you is the definition list or the description list. Depends on who you ask. So it's marked as DL, and then in here you're gonna have a definition term, I believe that's what it's called, as well as the definition's description. So here I could type out a word, right? Let's say happy, and then the definition of happy is fortunate and convenient. Or that's one of it, at least. Fortunate and convenient. So if we run this, here we have happy, and then indented is its definition. So it's useful for like glossaries, etc. So let's say I was listing out the definitions of all of the emotions. I'd put happy, sad, etc. So there's that one. And last but not least is the nested list. So that is practically this, and because you could nest a list within a list, right? And I will show you that right now. So to do that, you're going to create an unordered list, and then within the unordered list, you're going to create a list. So let's say I'm going to start this off with body. Let's say I have a list of bodies, right? Or list of body. Okay. And then I'm going to create another unordered list within this. And it's going to have arms, legs, and head. If I refresh this, as you can see, we have a list, or this list, within a list. So that's the end of this video. Just to recap, we've gone over the four to three different kinds of lists. We had the unordered list, the ordered list, the description/definition list, as well as the nested list. If you've learned anything at all, then go ahead and hit subscribe, get notified whenever I upload videos, and like, comment where you are in your learning journey, as well as any feedback you have for me. Yeah, that's it. Annyeong. Good night. And I am signing off.